everybody. I am Sanskriti Verma, and this is
Pallavi here.
Pallavi. Okay. So, guys, it has been a long time since I have been posting videos, and it is because I just got admission in a medical school in India. And she is my friend. She is from West Bengal, and as you guys know, I am from Delhi. So, she speaks little Hindi, right?
Yeah.
So today we are going to unbox all the medical books that we have got from our college. And even we haven't checked the books till now, so let's start. First, General Anatomy, B.D. Thoresia. I think this is a good book.
Yeah. Sixth edition.
Yeah, it's sixth edition. So I have heard much about B.D. Thoresia though, but people have been saying for Vishram Singh and all that too. What do you think?
I think Vedi Tarasa is best.
Yeah. People study from BD Choice. So let's see what all next books do we require, because I think it's around like 24 books and 18 are like official books. So let's see.
Yeah.
Next is Surface and Radiological Anatomy, 3rd edition. Now we're going to study. Okay. Okay, practical clinical biochemistry methods and interpretations as per revised MCI curriculum. I think it is for the practicals book, right?
Biochemistry.
Yeah, this is for biochemistry practicals book. Usually what happens in med school that if you're having a roommate, so one book you buy and the other publishing book, like a book from the other publisher, your roommate buys. So that way you're able to like study from both the books at the same time. And right now my roommate is not here, but for example, I have brought like B.D. Chaurasia, or perhaps she has taken Vishram Singh.
Yeah.
It's like that.
It's like that.
And for Satyanarayan for biochemistry, and she has taken Vasudevan, so it's like that. Then we have Langman's Medical Embryology, South Asian edition. So here we go. Okay, Medical Genetics, G.P. Pal. I was keeping it on your face. 4th edition. Okay. B.D. Chaurasia's Human Anatomy, Dissection and Clinical, Volume 1. I feel like right now I'm selling the books. Please take them. Okay, if I'm gonna keep it here, so it's gonna like keep filling till my face and you won't be able to see it. Okay. So now it's time to take a drink. Okay. Oops.
You are keeping sanitizer.
I'm drinking sanitizer, and I think it has
Alcohol.
Okay, thank you, Pallavi, for such point of information that wasn't required. I need to drink water. Next, we have Grant's Atlas of Anatomy. I think it's 14th edition. As you can see, the book is already too heavy.
Yeah.
It's not like that I cannot hold it because I'm an international karate medalist, as you all know.
Can
You know? She also didn't know. Yeah, we became friends like 2-3 days before when I shifted to this hostel room. So as you can see, I'm basically in a hostel room
Yeah.
where my room partner is always outside, and she leaves a room partner for me. She's basically staying upstairs. I'm like downstairs. Okay, next is Indrabir Singh's textbook of human neuroanatomy, fundamental and clinical. Dun dun dun. Wow, brain. This is how brain looks like. Well, today we actually saw a cadaver as well as we saw like a lot of specimens from the museums. So there was like brain specimens as well. Then we have Indrabir Singh's textbook of human histology with color atlas and practical guide as per revised MCI curriculum, 9th edition. So from our batch, it's like CBME curriculum. So a lot has been changed because now competency is seen. Yeah, a lot of things have been changed, and we also have a foundation course. So today was my first day of the offline course because I was taking the online foundation course since the month. It was about a lot of things that CBME laid down for us to know. Now this is South Asian edition of Diaphyores, Atlas of Histology with functional correlations. So it's by Viktor P. Roshenko, and it has some OPSC questions as well. So we are having a mixture of international and national books as well, because now we have to give next exam. Yeah.
This is also B.D. Chaurasia.
Yeah, B.D. Chaurasia's Human Anatomy, Regional and Applied, Dissection and Clinical.
Volume 3.
Yeah, 8th edition. So as you can see, these are so easy books. We were like discussing a day before. We will read it in one day. We are just gonna give the exams tomorrow, and yeah, as you can see. Okay, this is the 8th edition, Volume 2, B.D. Choris's Human Anatomy. I'm sorry because it's not serialized. We are like just randomly picking out from the bundle, which was the carton box, and since it's Corona time, that's why I was drinking sanitizer. No, no, we should not drink sanitizer. But yeah, so we were just like taking it like all out with sanitized hands, and also it's all in like not in proper order. So I'm sorry for that. And it's like Tabor's 22 brings meaning to life thumb index version. So it's like, oops, Tabor's Cyclopedic Medical Dictionary. So it's like a medical dictionary. And I think we have 1 year subscription to Tabor's online as well. So they are giving the premium subscription. And I will tell you the code. So the code is buy it yourself. I'm selling today. Oh, bye. You are gonna put it. You should don't let it fall. Okay. Next is Nell's Clinical Anatomy by Regions, and it is South Asian edition. So yeah, by regions. But that's it. No edition number. It's like Walter's Kluber and then Vandana Mehta and R.K. Suri. So this is the thing. Oops. I think that they might not be able to read the books because of lateral inversion. We are doing in a selfie mode. We just came from hostel rules. So yeah, we were so bored. We were like, come on, before like unboxing everything, let's make a video. Why not?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. This is Guy's Textbook of Practical Physiology, 9th edition. I'm sure that her face would be covered along with her stethoscope. Mine is still safe. Thank you. Okay, Lippincott's Illustrated Reviews Biochemistry, South Asian edition. It is quite famous, I think.
Yeah, it is international.
Yeah, a lot of people have recommended for the same book. This is Satyanarayan Biochemistry. Everybody who knows about it. Still study from Vasudevan. Okay. Some people study from AK Jain, which are like 3 in 1. And now it's like Textbook of Physiology Volume 1, 2 and 3, I guess. And it is having like Complete Guide to Crack Your Physiology exam as well. So it's like a set that you can take for AK Jain. Are you safe? Okay, I won't keep the other books on your face.
Okay.
Okay, the favorite book of everyone, Guyton and Hall. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, Textbook of Medical Physiology, 3rd South Asia edition. John E. Hall and Michael E. Hall. Okay. No, never mind. Yeah. And I think these books are...
GK file.
Oh, these are combined. That's why we weren't able to see it. So it's like GK Pal,
Medical Physiology.
Comprehensive Textbook of Medical Physiology. Where is the volume? Volume 1 and Volume 2. Yeah, so these two are sets. And I think this is the over of the 18 books, basically 24 in total. As you can see, there are still 3 books remaining that she needs to like hold, and after holding I will tell you how her face would look like. Exactly this. So exactly this is the face.
Yeah.
And I hope you appreciate the amount of hard work she has done today to just hold the books. Rest I will read it. Thank you so much, Pallavi, for joining us today, for holding our books. No, she is like a very good girl, and she is like the best friend I have seen here, who is always very supportive. Thank you, Pallavi. Shout out to her mom and dad and everyone from her family. Say hi.
Hi.
Your family is watching. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you soon with no more coronavirus things, I hope. But yeah, keep safe. So like, comment, share and sanitize. Of course, subscribe. And
Sanskriti Verma.
Thank you. And I think that we will come with more videos as and when we get time. So like today was our basically the white coat ceremony. So we took the introduction and Hippocratic oath and everything we took. So we just returned after that white coat ceremony, and we were like, we are now official medicos. Why not to make a video of an official medico? So yeah, finally we planned it after dinner and we made the video. So we are totally here and enjoying our day. Thank you so much for watching our video.
Bye.
And here is my roommate whom I was talking about. Thank you, roommate, for joining us today. Thank you so much. Bye bye, guys. Love you.